Welcome to Spitzer Nissan Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with Nissan Connect Services Emergency Communication System, 19-inch aluminum alloy wheels, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, Nissan Connect featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bose premium audio system, parking sensors, keyless entry, Sirius XM satellite radio, steering wheel controls, rear spoiler, and has less than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Nissan Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.